Hi guys, welcome back to Cooking with Claudia. Today I'm going to show you how to make this super delicious creamy garlic butter salmon and spinach recipe. This recipe is so good and very easy. You only need a few ingredients to make, so let's get started. Alright guys, I have my salmon here. I'm using skinless Atlantic salmon. We're going to start by seasoning them with salt and pepper. You want to get your salmon out of the fridge and let it sit for 15 minutes to come to room temperature. That way they cook evenly, okay guys? So once your salmon is seasoned, you're going to heat up a skillet over medium to medium high heat and add some olive oil. Once the oil gets very hot, go ahead and add your salmon. Then you're going to cook them for 3 minutes on each side. You want them to get a nice golden brown color, just like these. Then you're going to take them out of the pan and set aside for later. Next, in the same pan, we're going to make the creamy garlic butter sauce. So go ahead and toss in some butter. I'm using unsalted butter because I want to take control of the salt content. Once the butter has melted, go ahead and add some minced garlic. Then you're going to cook that for about a minute until the garlic gets fragrant. Once the garlic has cooked, you're going to add some flour and whisk that in and let it cook for about a minute just to kick out that flour taste. Then you're going to add in some chicken broth, and I'm using low sodium chicken broth. Go ahead and whisk in the chicken broth and let that cook until it thickens, just like this. Then you're going to add some half and half. I'm using a mixture of milk and heavy cream for my half and half. I'm gonna leave all the ingredients and measurements in the description box. Next, we're going to add in some spices. So I have some basil, parsley, red pepper flakes, and onion powder going in. Next, you're going to add some Parmesan cheese and chicken bouillon cube. Go ahead and mix it all together, get everything very well incorporated. Then we're going to add some spinach. I'm using baby spinach, and I already went ahead and chopped the spinach into little pieces. You don't have to do that, but I don't know, I wanted to. Once the spinach hits the pan, go ahead and mix it in and let it cook for about 2 minutes on medium heat until it wilts down. You also want to see that the sauce has thickened, just like this. You can taste for salt and add more if you want. I don't think you're gonna need any salt, but go ahead and do what suits your taste, okay guys? Next, you're going to add in the salmon. Then you're going to let your salmon cook in the sauce for about a minute. Don't forget to add the salmon juice, that's all good flavor. You also want to baste the salmon as it cooks, and that's about it. Dinner is ready in under 20 minutes, you guys, and it tastes so bomb, you guys. Oh my goodness. You need to go make this today, like right now. I served mine with rice. You can do mashed potatoes or whatever you want. Look at all that yumminess. The salmon has so much flavor. The sauce is so good. My kids are picky eaters and they really enjoyed this. Like, look at this little boy.